Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Wolf of Blockchain token. Ticker symbol is Twob, T-W-O-B. This token just got a brand new central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on the Wolf of Blockchain token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the Wolf of Blockchain token is being listed on a central exchange called Bitmart. And there is a trading competition event going on right now. So you could trade this token right now. And the event goes between September 6th all the way until September 20th. And you can see that on Bitmart's Twitter at Bitmart Exchange. And says we're giving away $20,000 worth of tokens to people who are participating in the trading competition event. And you can check out this information on Bitmart's Twitter. As always, I'm going to put the Wolf of Blockchain's Twitter in the corner of the screen there so you guys can easily find the token that I'm talking about at Wolf Blockchain _ on Twitter. So yeah, if you're looking to get this token, all you would have to do is download Bitmart from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section, search TWOB, and then simply just buy the token. This token is on the Binance Smart Chain, 18 decimal places on this token, and there is an insane amount of tokens. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 commas, and all 9s. So whatever that number is, I'm not even going to try to tell you what number that is. Too big for me to even think about. But yes, they do have a web page, the-wolf-of-blockchain.com. And they do have a full white paper available on their webpage. It says here, 9-page white paper. It works, so that's good. Now it says, welcome to the exclusive money club. Join the elite, unlock exclusive investment opportunities and tailored financial management, where wealth and privilege meet. As a member, you'll have access to exclusive investment opportunities, tailored financial management and planning, and a dedicated team of experts. You'll also have access to exclusive events and networking opportunities where you can connect with like-minded individuals and make powerful connections with us. You'll have the tools and resources you need to take your financial future to the next level. Experience the ultimate in financial privacy and security with our private banking system, tailored to meet the unique needs of high net worth individuals. Our exclusive system offers unparalleled access to exclusive investment opportunities and personalized financial management. And all this combined with the advantages that arise from the use of new digital currencies. The use of a decentralized cryptocurrency provides our members with exclusive benefits such as free, instant, unlimited, and worldwide transfers. So there's a big disclaimer, of course, on here, as usual. Now, this is a pure utility token, and it says here that, you know, like losses may occur, all that stuff. Even total losses may occur, so just be aware of that. Now, transparency, TWOB is decentralized and supported by its community of enthusiasts. We encourage open communication and believe trust, transparency, and community are the three pillars of a successful project. TWOB is the fastest growing and most loved community in crypto. We strive to include everyone from around the globe. Trust. In cryptocurrency market, trust is paramount. That means full transparency. Not only is the community in development, but also security efforts. And this token has been fully audited, it says. So you can check out their audit, I'm sure, somewhere on here. Their webpage, hopefully. Longevity. By promoting our values, we are well equipped to weather any market times together with our community. TWOB is definitely in it for the long haul. We came here to stay. So it tells you, if you don't know how to buy this token off Bitmart, you didn't understand what I said, they do have a step-by-step instruction, step 1 to 4, how to buy off of Bitmart on their white paper. Now, contract address is also on their white paper. So, tokenomics, how the tokens are allocated. There's a pie chart on here. It says 50% of the tokens go to public sale, 20% marketing, 10% governance fund. So basically, by being a token holder, eventually you'll probably have some sort of voting rights. You can vote on proposals and which direction you think the project should go in, that type of thing. 10% goes to staking, so eventually you'll be able to stake this token to get rewards. 5% team, 4% airdrops, 1% charity, so they will be giving to charity. Now there's a vesting schedule on here. So it says there's 999 quadrillions tokens. I don't even know, I've never even heard of that number before, but it is a large number. So it says 90% of the tokens are locked for 10 years with a vesting period. So you can go over the vesting schedule there. Now there's a small roadmap on here. It says token was born, phase 1, phase 2, website launch, then Bitmart listing, phase 3, 5,000 holders, Twitter followers, then airdrop number 1. Phase 4 is going to be influencer marketing push. And then closing words, it says thank you and stay updated. So if you want to stay updated, you can follow their socials like their Twitter. This is a very, very brand new token with not a ton of information yet. And it doesn't seem like it has a lot of utility just in general. Doesn't have a Telegram yet, just a Twitter. But you can find all the information about this token on Bitmart. Bitmart's Twitter, at Bitmart Exchange. They just made a new post about this trading competition. So check that out. Now, I am not a financial advisor. So why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And yeah, leave a comment down there. Check out the referral codes. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.